Hi there, and welcome to our complete jQuery course where we're going to show you how to use jQuery, apply jQuery, and do some really amazing and cool things with jQuery. My name is Lawrence, and I'm so excited to have the opportunity to present jQuery to you today within this course. I've been a web developer for a number of years, and I've always loved and enjoyed working with jQuery, and this is why I'm so excited for this opportunity to present jQuery to you within this course. So jQuery does a lot of really cool things. jQuery provides web developers an easy way to create interactive and dynamic content within web applications. jQuery's been around since 2006, and when it was introduced, it quickly became the most popular JavaScript library, and still today it's very relevant because a lot of websites are using jQuery. There's almost 20 million websites that are using jQuery, 5,000 libraries that are available for jQuery. It's used across popular frameworks like Bootstrap and a lot of others. jQuery has really set the foundation and set the bar for JavaScript libraries. And even though JavaScript has made advances, it's a lot more compatible across more browsers, jQuery still takes the edge because, well, with jQuery, it is compatible across all the browsers. So that's one benefit of using jQuery. You don't have to worry about what it's going to look like or if your styling or something is going to look different on a different browser. So that's already been tested. It's already ready to go. And all you have to do is connect jQuery. And also jQuery is fun to use. It's easy to write. If you're familiar with CSS and making selections within CSS, then this is going to come naturally to you. And also within this course, one of the prerequisites is understanding HTML. The more you understand about HTML and CSS, the easier it is going to be to work with jQuery. JavaScript and understanding the JavaScript DOM, this is also really important as a prerequisite to this course because the focus of this course is, of course, jQuery, and all of the lessons and exercises are going to be solely focused on jQuery. We're going to use jQuery as much as possible so you get as much exposure to jQuery, seeing how jQuery works, and seeing where you can use jQuery within your own projects as well. And of course, the source code is also included to get you started quickly. As you follow along with the lessons, it is encouraged that you build out your own version of the applications, try it out for yourself, tweak it, interact with that code, update it, and really get familiar and comfortable with writing jQuery. The lessons are going to show you the syntax, and then it's going to be up to you to implement it within your own web applications and make things happen. We're also incorporating within this course several mini projects. These mini projects are designed from start to finish to show you how to build out applications, as well as useful functionality using jQuery that you can take and also improve upon, tweak, and build into your own applications. And of course, we're also going to be looking at animations with jQuery. So jQuery does animations extremely well, and this is one of the reasons why web developers love using jQuery, because you just bring the jQuery library in and you're ready to go to do some amazing things with just a few lines of code. Sometimes just one line of code could do a whole lot in jQuery. And that's the beauty of jQuery. Do a lot of things, and it is easy to write. It just makes sense. The syntax in jQuery is easy to read. The other reason that web developers choose to use jQuery is for Ajax. Now, there have been a lot of advancements in JavaScript with fetch, and that XHR object is not as complex as it once was, but jQuery still has a place because it is compatible across browsers, so you don't have to worry about Internet Explorer or other browsers not being able to connect. And also, jQuery makes it easy, logical, in order to make those connections, pull that data back really easily. And these are crucial parts to any web page, creating that dynamic API call to return back data and then load that data without refreshing the page. Almost every application can benefit from incorporating all of these really cool functionality into their web applications. And we're going to show you a lot of examples so you can get really comfortable with pulling in data from APIs and then outputting that data as a JavaScript object into your web pages. So all of this and a whole lot more is included within this course. And of course, I'm always ready to help you learn. So if you feel that you need more clarification or if there's anything missing within the course material, just let me know within the Q&A section, and I'm happy to help learn more about jQuery and get started using jQuery within your own projects. So when you're ready, let's jump right in and start writing some jQuery code and see what we can do with jQuery.